Good evening, my name is Ukachukwu Wisdom, Faculty of Engineering, University of Nigeria in Nsukka, Department of Electronic Engineering. We are coordinating an experiment titled Frequency Shift Key Modulating and Demodulation Detection. So as you can see here already on the practical, our objective in this practical is to create an FSK modulated wave and also demodulate the signal using an envelope detector. As you can see, our equipment here, we have our trainer TPS3431, then our set scope and banana wires. Then according to the practical, we were able to generate some signals using 3 binary numbers. So we're on the 3rd one actually. So we've seen the success, and we're actually confirming what we've heard and we've learned about the modulation and modulation signals. Thank you very much. And these are my colleagues. Thank you very much.